Is your alarm failing to sound up and not going off? Hi, I'm Carly. In this video, I'll guide you through some simple solutions to fix this issue. So, let's get started. Check volume settings. The first thing you need to check is the iPhone's volume level. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Swipe up and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Then, make sure the volume slider is set to high under the ringer and alerts section. Alternatively, if you have enabled Change with Button settings, press the volume up button on the left side of your iPhone to increase the ringer and alarm sound. If you have an iPhone with a silent switch on the side of your iPhone, check and make sure it is not set to mute. Now, let's check the alarm settings. To do this, launch the Clock app on your iPhone home screen. Then, go to the alarm section from the bottom side. You might have set up multiple alarms. If one is not set, tap the Add button to add a new one. In my case, I have already set up an alarm, so tap on it to see the details of the alarm settings. Go to the Repeat section here. Select the option to have the alarm repeat each day. Now, tap on the back icon to return to the previous page. Then, tap on the Sound section. Here, make sure you have selected particular songs or ringtone for an alarm to notify. Please don't select the None option. At last, turn on the toggle next to Snooze. If your alarm doesn't work, select Delete Alarm and add a new one. If everything is fine, move to the next solution. Turn off Sleep or other focus mode. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Swipe up and tap on Focus. Now, check focus modes individually and verify if any active focus mode is active. Also, make sure you have yet to set a sleep schedule using the Health app. If you have set a sleep and wake up schedule from the Health app, follow the next steps. Launch the Health app on your iPhone. In the Summary section, you may see multiple options. Swipe up and go to the Sleep section. Here, take a look at the schedule if available. Tap on the Edit option to change the schedule and sleep hours. Drag the curved slider to adjust the sleep and wake up times. Then, turn on the toggle next to the alarm. At the same time, you can change the alarm sound, volume level, and haptics. If you're having trouble with the alarm, swipe up, tap on Delete Schedule and set the schedule again. Turn off Bluetooth. If your iPhone is connected to any hearing device, you won't be able to hear the alarm sound and turn it off. So, you need to disconnect, forget, or disable the Bluetooth setting on your iPhone to avoid this issue. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on the Bluetooth section. If your iPhone is connected to a hearing device, tap the I button next to the device name and select Forget this device option. Alternatively, you can completely turn off the Bluetooth toggle. That's it. If your iPhone is stuck or not responding, move to the next solution. Force Restart iPhone. This process helps you solve software-related issues and bugs on your iPhone. And don't worry about your data, your photos, videos, and other files remain safe. So, let's see the steps. Press and release the volume up button. Press and release the volume down button, and then press and hold the side power button until you see the Apple logo. Please ignore the slide to power off slider. Keep holding the power button, and there you go. Release your finger when the Apple logo appears. If the problem persists, follow the next solution. Turn off or disable the Attention Aware feature. When the Attention Aware feature is active on your iPhone, it lowers the alert sounds and display screen when you sleep or look at your iPhone. You may not hear the alarm. To fix this, let's follow the steps on the video screen. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Swipe up and tap on Accessibility. On this page, swipe up and tap on Face ID and Attention under the Physical and Motor section. Here, turn off the toggle switch next to Attention Aware features. Then enter your passcode to continue. That's it. Check for software update. Using an old iOS update may cause alarm issues. So, make sure your iPhone is updated with the latest software version. To check for software updates, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Then, tap on Software Update. Wait for a while until your device checks for an update. If the latest iOS version is available, tap on the Update Now button and wait for the download process to complete. If your iPhone is up to date, skip this step. Check third-party apps. If you have installed third-party alarm apps on your iPhone, check its notification settings. It may interface with the default clock app, so turn off the Allow Notification permission for third-party alarm apps. Reset all settings. If your alarms are still not going off, reset all settings on your iPhone. This process will reset your iPhone settings and not delete or erase the data stored on your device. Launch the Settings app. Tap on General, swipe up to the bottom, and tap on Transfer and Reset iPhone. After that, select the Reset option. Multiple options are available here. Select the Reset All Settings option. Your iPhone may show an Enter Passcode screen. Enter your lock screen passcode and confirm your action. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.